Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to make your avatar small on Roblox. So for that, you need to launch any web browser, go to roblox.com, or you can also launch the Roblox application, log into your specific account, and after that, go to the avatar section from the left-hand side, which is between friends and inventory. Once you're in the avatar editor page, you need to click on the body section that is between avatars and makeup in the top. From the drop-down menu, click on scale that is beside the right legs option. Go ahead and select it. Under body type, select R15 and you'll get the option of height, width, head and proportions. What you have to do is you need to set your avatar's height with head and proportion to its lowest settings possible. Also set the body type slider to 0 and this will make your avatar much smaller. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.